Big Bang cosmologists try to tell us that we know the Big Bang definitely happened because of the cosmic microwave background. And this is not true. We know from the data now that it definitely can't be from the Big Bang. I'm going to explain why in this video. Big Bang cosmologists predicted that there would be some kind of residue of light from the Big Bang, and because it's so old, it should be in the microwave or the radio wave frequencies. This for a start doesn't make sense, because if we had the Big Bang coming from a single point, any light coming from the Big Bang would have gone outwards in every direction away from us and beyond our detection. However, when this microwave radiation was detected in the universe, it was hailed as proof that the Big Bang was definitely true. It was predicted that this radiation would be the same in every direction, same temperature, same colour. And when the microwave radiation was detected for the first time, it was the same colour and the same temperature all over the sky, using the best technology which was available at the time. However, as telescopes improved in their accuracy, we found that there were different colours and different temperatures. Very slight differences, but very important, which are indicated by the blue and the orange zones in the image here. When I first came across it, I said that this is resonance in the field, and it should correspond with the intensity of light from galaxy clusters that we detect today. And I was correct. And the resonance is just like we find in any stringed instrument. There is a resonant frequency which follows any combination of notes as they calm down. A guitar, a piano, a harp all resonate as all the notes combine into a lower resonance frequency. And I'm saying this is what's happening in the field, is we're getting light from galaxy clusters and it's resonating at a certain frequency. Where there's less light coming, there's a lower frequency. Where there's more light coming, it resonates at a higher frequency. And we know that it must be a physical field, because empty space cannot exist. To have any interaction between objects, there must be a constant physical connection. That's why the model of particles in empty space can never include gravity, because it needs a real physical field. And we can see the field in the creases, like the galactic filaments and the lines coming out from the poles of quasars, which can't be jets, as I explained in another video. And the axis of evil is a line which corresponds to the plane which the planets revolve around the sun in our solar system. So called because it is more clear evidence that the Big Bang is wrong, a horrifying fact to Big Bangers. And it is perfectly consistent with my theory of the field, because as we have compaction of the fabric by the planets, we're going to detect that crease in the microwave radiation. The James Webb found galaxies which are more massive and more mature than the Milky Way, and they're located 300 million years after the proposed Big Bang. Yet current models say it took at least 10 billion years for the Milky Way to evolve to its current form, totally incompatible with the Big Bang. These are all facts which understandably are upsetting and horrifying to Big Bangers, some of whom have spent their entire careers working extremely hard on what turns out to be an incorrect model. But if we want to truly understand the universe in order to protect our loved ones, we have to face the harsh scientific facts. The Big Bang is definitely wrong.